So how's it going, everyone? Now this morning we had some much better price action than the previous days this week, and today was a textbook example of supply and demand trading. Right off the open, we rejected supply on ES, bounced at demand, came back up and rejected supply again, and that's where I caught a very nice short to the downside. Now, unfortunately, I undersized a little bit because I actually missed the bounce off of demand, so I was kind of in my own head a little bit. But then I saw a good setup and I thought, hey, I might as well take this trade, but I'm just going to size down a little bit. So I could have made more, but I'm still happy with the profit overall. And I'm certainly happy to be green this week. And I got the trade recorded live this morning, and I will, like always, break it down at the end of the video. So enjoy the live trading. I'm going to take a short here, just a really light position size. We've only got 2 contracts, but I think we're rejecting the supply again.
Order filled.
Alright, getting filled on one of our contracts at the 50s. Now the question is, can we get a break of the VWAP? We're kind of bouncing off of it. Yeah, I'm going to go with a break even stop on this last contract. Wow, this is some aggressive selling here. I might take this off if SPY gets to 411. So this is getting overextended. Might take it off now. SPY is at 411.18. If this candle turns green, I think I'm out. Selling continues. Can we break 411 on SPY? Okay, SPY broke right through 411. We are approaching low a day. I think I'm going to take this off at the 40s. This is some very aggressive selling. I am going to take this off right here.
Order filled.
Close the trade up $111 on just 2 contracts. Look at this. The selling continues. So now to break down this trade. Now here we have ES on the 15-minute time frame. And in case you guys are wondering, if you're wondering which one I trade more, ES or NQ, I just trade whichever one has the best setup, and today that was definitely ES in my opinion. Now pre-market, I marked out 41.40 demand and about 41.52 to 41.57 supply. Now you can see we held this demand yesterday, and last week it was a low as well. So it was a pretty simple plan this morning. I was just watching these 2 key levels, and we respected them very well today. Now I'm going to go ahead and zoom into the 1-minute time frame to show you where I entered this trade. So yeah, we first rejected the supply zone at around 8.50 this morning, and I was actually watching for a demand bounce right around 41.40, but I was kind of distracted with my class, and I just did not have the confidence to take this trade. So I had a little bit of FOMO, but then I stayed patient. I did not chase this, and I wanted to see how we reacted once we got into the supply zone. Now I wanted to see it kind of break high a day to trap the bulls and then reject, but that did not happen, and we kind of just made a very clean double top. Now this looked even better on the 5-minute time frame, so I'm going to show you what the candle looked like around this time. Yeah, so right here we broke above 57 and then made this very bearish candle on the 5-minute. I mean, just take a look at how this candle closed. I mean, this was kind of my main confirmation. I really liked how the 5-minute looked. So yeah, I do watch multiple time frames. I've been watching the 1-minute as well as the 5-minute, and I think they make a great combination. So now going back to the 1-minute, yeah, so it was around 9:28. This candle is very bearish, and we showed that we could not get above high a day. So I went short here. Now I only took 2 micro contracts, which is all right. I really just did not want to give back my gains from the week. So I sized down a little bit, and I still ended up making a decent profit on this trade. Now my plan was to exit 1 contract when we got to VWAP in case of a bounce, and that's exactly what I did. So I got filled right around 41.50, and then I believe I moved my stop to around break even, and I wanted to see if we could get down to demand where we previously bounced this morning. And then sellers really took control. You can see there was like no green candles for the next couple minutes. This was a very big red candle, and once we got to low a day, I just decided to take it off because that was a very good move in my favor, and I did not want to sit in a short when the market could potentially bounce again. So yeah, this is great supply and demand trading, you know. Just look at how many times these levels were respected. This is why I'm starting to like supply and demand trading more than just like breakouts and flag patterns, because in the current state of the market, this seems to be a go-to strategy for futures. And that was the only trade I took today. It was just a one and done on a Friday. I did not want to give back my gains. So now if we go and take a look at the Ninja Trader account, or the Apex account, excuse me, you can see we made $111 on the day, and we are up about $200 on this account so far. So that's a good start, and we really got to keep it up if we want to pass. And yeah, if I did not make myself clear in like my last video, this is not real money. I'm trading the Apex account evaluation, and I'm trying to earn a funded account. That is my goal by the end of the summer or the end of this year. So yeah, I think we definitely had a decent week on this account overall. Again, no options trades this week, again on my Webull account. I just have not been wanting to trade options when the market has been a little slower. I've been very focused on futures lately, and that's going to be the main content on this channel for now, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. So that is all I got for you guys today. I hope you are enjoying these futures videos, and if you are, please let me know in the comments below. If you have advice for me, if you are a more experienced trader than I am, I would love to hear it. Please feel free to share any thoughts in the comments below, and I would love to read it and reply to you. And also, thank you for the support on the channel recently. I have been gaining a few more subscribers pretty much every day, which I greatly appreciate it, and I'm very excited to keep growing. With that being said, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.